Hi everyone! So I was pretty happy to come home after work to see this at my front doorstep. I'll give you a hint, it's actually not a knife, but let's dive right into here. I'm going to use my Spyderco Dragonfly G10 to open this. Oh, we got some styrofoam peanuts. A lot, actually. Oh, what's that? Anything else? More peanuts. Got this from Battery Junction. Here's my nice little free light that they gave me. And let's dive right into the good stuff. Titanium Innovations. It's the CE1 model. It's going to be my new EDC model. Got some nice instructions here. You can read that a little bit later. Oh my goodness, this is really small. Wow, here it is. So the reason why I got this was, besides the runtime and the lumen output, I wanted to have the option between a keychain ring as well as a clip, which this actually is. And we have some spare O-rings here. Presentation box is very nice. Seems like this is wood. Good stuff. All right. So just if you want to see it, size comparison. Here's an Eneloop battery. AAA. Oh, it's tiny. Actually, it seems like something's in there. Oh, it comes with an Energizer E2. Oh, just ultimate lithium. Alright. It's true what they say, the threads seem to be a little bit grainy. You hear that? But once I clean them out, we'll see what they look like. Alright, and there's low. Twist, on and off. Medium. One more time. And there's high. This is 115 lumens using the R5 LED from Cree. Alright, that's my unboxing. Thank you very much, everyone.